Thracian fortress ruins in Boykovets, Bulgaria, built around 2,500 years ago. The Thracian fortress Bulgaria is located on the hill of the same name, 1.97 kilometers east as the crow flies from the center of the village of Boykovets. The hill on which the fortification was built is independent with very steep slopes. From it, there is excellent views across the Etropole Valley and the valleys of Ravna and Yablonitsa. It is also possible to see the Malki Iska River from here. The top of the hill is surrounded from the northeast and south by a ring of sheer cliffs with a height of 2 to 10 meters. It was on the top of this vantage point the fortification was built, using the natural protection of the rock ring. The fortress has an irregular shape, with the fortress wall following the configuration of the terrain. The total area is 13.5 dekas, and the maximum dimensions are 143 by 142 meters. On the three mentioned sides, there is a single fortress wall. The main access to the fortification is from the west, where a double fortress wall was built. The distance between the two walls is between 36 and 55 meters. They are traced under embankments up to 1 meter high. The inner fortress wall is better preserved than the outer one and can be traced entirely on the terrain. The outer wall is quite decayed and its length is lost in places. No more tangible traces of construction are noticeable in the interior. No ceramics have been found. The site was disturbed by treasure hunters. Huge pits were excavated, and stone blocks weighing half a ton each were removed. In almost all cases the raiders reached cavities located several meters below the surface. It is assumed that the Boykovets fortress arose in the 6th to 5th centuries BC, built by the Thracian tribe Tribali who inhabited this region. A short distance away to the north of the fortress there is a Thracian burial mound identified by a series of marker stones. Although not one of the best preserved fortresses, it is still of historical interest. Thank you for watching.